Like a dangling cluster of fruit, 30 keys known as the Berry Islands dot the eastern edge of the Great Bahama Bank. Unspoiled, serene, and mostly uninhabited, they are known for white sand beaches, palm-fringed shores, loopholes, and near some islands, prolific fishing grounds. We're looking forward to disconnecting, exploring, and continuing our quest to live from the land, or rather the ocean, spearfishing and collecting conch. Join us in this idyllic paradise.
We are here in the Berry Islands. We're anchored right behind Devil's Key. It took us a little bit to figure out where to anchor last night, but we're happy with where we are, totally protected from the easterly winds. We're planning to go out snorkeling the reef right around White Key, but it's on the eastern side, and today the winds are 15 to 20 knots, so not a day to be out freediving over there. So we're gonna take the dinghy, and we have seen that there's some rocks a little bit south of here. So we're gonna go check that out, see if we can find any fish to spear, any conch. But there's a beautiful beach here. We took Yoda this morning, and this is just an awesome place.
We try to begin each day aboard Wanderlust with a workout, then we take Yoda to shore for a walk. We often thank Yoda for taking us for a walk because without her, we wouldn't go nearly as much. She forces us to take time for a simple pleasure like walking on the beach, and I enjoy them so much.
You excited, Yoda? Huh? You excited? Do you hear the birds? The princess on her chariot. You gonna get out, Yoda? What do you think? Yoda, come. You don't want to jump? Come on, you can do it. Come on. That's how much Yoda hates water. How much do you hate water? Are you a billy goat now? Huh? Get it! Get it! Yoda's a little crab. He's gonna get you. Oh my god. He's gonna bite you. Okay, Yoda. Enough. Yoda. Wow, look at that. It's a sea urchin.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Are they edible?
I don't know about this one. This one is, I don't know if it is or not.
What are you doing, Yoda? Oh, little conch.
But I think this has got a crab inside, see?
No, it's a conch.
It is a small one.
Yeah, it's a small conch. Yep.
Small concarina.
Nice. That's great. Okay.
Since Yoda had her playtime on the beach, we felt okay leaving her for a little bit to see if we could catch some fish or find some conch. The whole living from the sea concept was proving to be quite a bit more challenging than we expected. At this point, we figure it must be a game of odds. The more we fish, the more likely we'll catch something, or at least that's what we're hoping for. To find a spot, Fabio jumps in the water and I drag him with the dinghy until he sees something worth investigating. We're able to cover much more ground this way. A huge thank you to our patrons. We are so grateful for your support. If you'd like real-time updates and additional content, consider joining the Harbors Unknown community on Patreon.
Dragging Fabio in the water as we go back to the boat. He's looking for conchs. We already found these two guys, but we're not sure if they're, I mean, they don't look like conch. I don't know what kind of snail they are. We're gonna look it up. So we did a quick Google search and we found that these are king or queen helmet conchs, and apparently Bahamians don't normally eat them because they're bitter. So we're gonna throw them back. We feel kind of bad for having tortured them, but we wanted to see if we could eat them. All right, see you guys later.
If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.
This morning we chatted with a guy nearby and he told us that there were some lionfish nearby around this small little island, and so we are gonna go check it out and see if we can find some. We're going over there.
I've said it many times, I know. I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to leave, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong.
So what'd you see?
I saw a lot of dead coral and some new one growing. That was nice to see some new coral coming up, a lot of coral growing up, and a lot of small grunts, very small grunts. I saw a couple of NASA groupers, but they were very undersized, very small. And that's it. No lionfish. I was going for lionfish. Nothing. The fish diet starvation continued.
The pork diet.
The pork diet.
Since there are no fish to be found anywhere around and the winds are still too strong to go snorkeling the reef, we're gonna go check out Hoffman's Key and the blue hole there. It's pretty shallow in here. Oh, good thing we brought our water shoes.
Yeah.
Dinghy is set and we're gonna go and see if we can find the blue hole. Oh yeah.
You know where we're going?
No. Here. Oof. This is a very strange trail. Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on. Yeah. We found the path. Whew. That was some serious bushwhacking. We made it to the blue hole and it is beautiful. It's not quite blue, I'd say it's more green, but it's really much larger than the other one that we saw.
When we started sharing our life on YouTube, we realized that life really is a stage. Because of that, we curate what is shared and created an image, an enhanced version of ourselves, who we would like to be, sharing mainly highlights and sugarcoating challenges. We became very selective about what we showed and hesitant about vlogging events which may open us up to criticism or viewers' judgment. Other channels that have a larger following or have a proven track record are able to establish themselves as an authority and are welcomed and loved by viewers for candidly exposing their kryptonite. In the past, when we have shown our mistakes, we have met harsh judgments and overtly offensive criticism and did not yet have the thick skin to handle the commentary without getting hurt. We are not interested in drama. We want to share our story, the beautiful places we visit, uplifting sunrises and calming sunsets, delicious food and breathtaking nature.
I'm gonna go down the path and swim. This is cool down here. Oh, I'm glad I came. Oh, yeah, this is really neat. Oh, that's kind of fun. Ooh.
There's a fish.
But we're realizing drama is part of the stage of life, and to tell an authentic story, it needs to be shared. Slowly, we are opening up as we are drawn to those who do, like showing this horribly awkward jump, my fear of heights, and what may be lurking under this dark surface.
How do I get out?
Right there, there's the rope.
I saw a jellyfish. As soon as I jumped in. I'm definitely glad I didn't jump in from up high. That was plenty high enough. Oh, wow. Look at this. That took like literally, I don't even know if it took us 5 minutes to get back.
Life is all about choosing paths. Sometimes you select the right one, and sometimes you don't.
There are so many little fish here. Yoda, come on. Let's go.
Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose.
You're planning on a big fire.
Yeah. Yeah. This is for the table.
Oh.
Okay, why not? Right?
Yep.
So we got a table. Now we can cook.
Come on over here, lower them stairs.
Windproof matches. I've been carrying this around for a while for this very purpose. We're gonna make a very small fire here just to cook. Okay. Here. Set it flat. Maybe I've been carrying this too long. I've carried this mesh for like 10 years probably, so maybe they're now there at the end of their life. Yeah. Plan B.
All right.
No wonder.
So you've got this actually kind of rock here that you've got the pan on.
Circle rock with a hole inside I found. So it works as a hobo campfire, but it's very small fire, and the flames are directed inside the pot from the hole. The risk with this, you gotta be careful, so otherwise everything ends up in the fire. I know perfectly.
Shades of blue holds feather wings, and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello.
Even though we didn't catch any fish or find any edible conch, we're becoming more patient and enjoying the journey, letting go of expectations of what a place will be like, because each person's experience is unique, and what may appeal to one person may not be so great to the next. One thing is for sure, we're learning so much about ourselves, and that in itself is invaluable. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.